In the rich tapestry of India's history, there are remarkable figures who have left an indelible mark on society. In the 7th century, a brilliant Indian physician named Vagbhaṭṭa wrote a text that would revolutionize medicine. His work, the Ashtanga Hridayam, is still studied today and is considered one of the most important texts on Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine. Welcome to the new episode of Vagbhaṭṭa. In today's video, we will explore the life and work of Vagbhatta, and learn about his many contributions to medicine. Born in the 7th century CE, Vagbhatta was a renowned healer, scholar, and the author of two influential treatises, the Ashtanga Hridayam and the Ashtanga Sangraha. These comprehensive medical works continue to shape the practice of Ayurveda, India's ancient system of medicine. He was a student of the renowned physician Charak, and he went on to become one of the most respected physicians in India. His most famous work is the Ashtanga Hridayam, which means the heart of the 8 branches. This text is a comprehensive overview of Ayurveda, and it covers topics such as anatomy, physiology, pathology, diagnosis, and treatment. It is a valuable resource for both traditional and modern physicians, and it continues to be studied and practiced today. The Ashtanga Hridayam is divided into 8 chapters, or angas. These chapters cover the following topics: Sutrasthana, which is the basic principles of Ayurveda; Nidana, which is the diagnosis of diseases; Sharirasthana, which is the anatomy and physiology of the body; Chikitsasthana, which is the treatment of diseases; Kalpaasthana, which is the preparation of medicines; Shalyatantra, which is the surgery of Ayurveda; Vagbhaṭṭa, which is the study of the elements; Hridayam, which is the science of rejuvenation. The Ashtanga Hridayam is also a valuable resource for understanding the history of medicine. It provides insights into the medical practices of ancient India, and it shows how these practices have evolved over time. Vagbhatta's contributions to Ayurveda are unparalleled. His works integrate knowledge from various medical traditions, presenting a holistic approach to healthcare. He emphasized the importance of balancing the body, mind, and spirit for optimal well-being. Vagbhatta's meticulous descriptions of herbs and their medicinal properties were revolutionary. His works became a treasure trove of knowledge, guiding generations of healers in the use of herbal remedies. His emphasis on personalized treatments and the consideration of a patient's unique constitution is a fundamental aspect of Ayurveda. Today, Vagbhatta's teachings continue to guide the practice of Ayurveda, offering a holistic approach to healing and well-being. His profound contributions to medicine and his understanding of the human body continue to impact lives, reminding us of the timeless wisdom of our ancient traditions. Hope you liked the video. Do let us know your thoughts in comments and keep watching Vagbhaṭṭa. Thank you.